Okay, we're just going to look at how long it takes for alcohol to leave your system. Okay, so Jack he stops drinking at 11:30. He has a blood alcohol content. That's 11:30 p.m. A blood alcohol content of 0.0756. The number of hours it takes for alcohol to leave the system can be calculated using this formula. So at what time on the next day should Jack expect to have a BAC level of 0? Like how long would it take for the alcohol to leave his system? Okay, so currently has 0.0756. If we divide that by 0.015, so let's work that out, 0.0756 divided by 0.015, you end up with 5.04. Now, if you press that little button there, that will put it into time and hours and minutes. So I've got 5 hours, 2 minutes, and 24 seconds for the alcohol to totally leave the system. Okay, so that's to have 0 alcohol. All right, so I wonder how long would it take to have 0.05 alcohol in his system. So if we put 0.05 and we put that over 0.015, so we go 0.05 divided by 0.015, and you look at that, you will have 3 hours and 20 minutes. So it takes 3 hours and 20 minutes for the alcohol, for 0.05 alcohol to leave the system. So if we take the 5 hours, 2 minutes, 24 seconds, and we take away 3 hours and 20 minutes, so 5 hours, 2 minutes, you can use this button for hours and minutes. So you go 5, then that, 2, then that, 24, then that, and you take away 3 hours, 20 minutes. That means that will be 1 hour and 42 minutes difference. Okay, so you start off with 0.0756 in your system at 11:30 p.m. And then if you go for 1 hour and 42 minutes later, that would be 12:30 a.m. plus 42 minutes. That would be 1:12 a.m. So that means that there's at 1:12 a.m. then the alcohol will be 0.05. And then if you go for another 3 hours and 20 minutes, then there would be 0 alcohol in your system. And it hasn't asked for, I haven't asked for that time, but if you added 3 hours, that would be 4:12, and then 20 minutes, that would be 4:32 a.m. for all the alcohol to actually leave the system after drinking this much. Okay.